This is my first time ever ordering from thegoat.com, man. I'm gonna give y'all the, this is a real unboxing of the Air Jordans 1 Retro High OG University Blues, man. Yeah, I don't even really do this, but I'm not finna get in no raffle. I'm not finna wait in no line. I'm just gonna go and drop the bag, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's how you gotta do it, man. It's 2021, man. Grind, get your bag, drop your bag on what you want, man. You know what I mean? Stop bullshit, stop playing around, man. If you want it, cop that shit, man. I'm gonna give you a real review of these motherfucking ones, man. I probably won't even wear them. I'm probably gonna try to sell them for real, so they go everything, man. Go, you know what I'm saying? What they give you? Okay. Authenticated, you know what I mean? The real shit, man. Ain't no fugazi shit going on over here, man. Y'all be doing it, man. Go verified, nigga. So if you want to cop these, man, you need to get at me, man. Size 13, but I need 600. 600 big ones, man. You ain't got 600 business, big one. Man, don't even comment on my shit, nigga. Now I'm just talking trash, bro. Yeah. For real, for real. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm going to say everything look official, man. I probably won't even rock these like that, man. So, get at me, man, if you need these, man. Get at me if you need them, man. Size 13 bit boy shit, man. Yeah. Just like this here, man. How we doing it, bro? If you need them.